Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best wireless tattoo machine review so you can choose the right one for your purpose. After 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list to save you time and money. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. Those links update regularly, so you'll see current deals and availability. If you have a question, drop it in the comments. Oh yes, since we're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. FK Irons Flux Max Stealth. If you want a professional grade, cordless machine that feels like an extension of your hand, the FK Irons Flux Max Stealth is built for that exact purpose. The draw is simple. It delivers stable power, a refined grip, and precision control without the cable drag that throws off your lines. The Flux Max integrates a digital menu on the body, so you can dial volts or hertz in small increments and lock in your sweet spot for lining, shading, and packing. This level of control matters when you are balancing trauma, saturation, and time on skin. The machine also supports multiple stroke options, so you can pick faster saturation or softer gradations based on the style and skin you are working on. Comfort and balance are standouts. The ergonomic 38mm grip keeps hand fatigue low across long sessions, while the 7.2-ounce weight still gives enough heft for steady lines. The detachable PowerBolt battery slides on and off quickly and charges by USB-C, which means fewer proprietary hassles and easier swaps mid-session. Wireless reliability is helped by dynamic power path management, which reduces sag under load, so your needle hits stay consistent as you push into difficult areas or larger groupings. For artists already in the FK ecosystem, the Flux Max keeps full compatibility with FK grips, PowerBolt batteries, and the kill switch, so upgrading does not mean rebuying the whole kit. Bluetooth support lets you pair with the Dark Lab app to update firmware and fine-tune settings off machine, but the built-in display already covers most adjustments you will need on the fly. Where the Flux Max separates itself is precision control. You can run power as low as 4V for delicate work or step in 0.1 or 0.5 increments to tune response across different needles and cartridges. The eGive feature offers 3 levels to simulate give for softer hit profiles, reducing redness and improving shading transitions. A built-in time tracker helps you monitor sessions for billing and workflow. The net effect is a pen that handles like a studio workhorse, clean line drive, predictable color packing, and a forgiving response when you need to slow down and finesse a gradient. For black and gray, you can lower frequency and eGive to reduce peppering. And for color realism, the combination of stroke options and stable output gives fast saturation without overworking the skin. If your priority is professional consistency with modern QOL features, this is the one to beat. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 4. Dragonhawk Mast Fold Pro Mcore C3. Dragonhawk's Mcore C3 platform is designed to deliver brushless power with reliable startup torque and smooth operation, making it a compelling mid-priced wireless option for artists who want flexibility without overpaying. The Fold Pro design focuses on stable hit and stroke versatility, giving you confidence to tackle lining, whip shading, and color work without constantly changing bodies. The Mcore C3 motor offers strong, efficient output, which translates to cleaner lines at moderate voltage and less stall when driving bigger mags. This gives you the latitude to work softer for black and gray and ramp up for quick color packing when needed. Ergonomically, the Fold Pro maintains a balanced pen form that suits both pencil and overhand grips. Battery integration keeps the setup compact while avoiding top-heavy feel, and the controls remain intuitive enough to make adjustments during a pass. The response curve is forgiving, which is useful on sensitive areas when you need to back off the hit without changing cartridges. Noise and heat are well controlled for a brushless unit, which helps with client comfort and session length. If you want an all-rounder that will not fight you on difficult skin or tight curves, the C3 platform hits a sweet spot between pro capability and accessibility. A key appeal is the versatility. A machine that adapts to multiple styles in a single sitting is a time saver. For lettering and geometric lining, you can run a firmer stroke with crisp drive and rely on the motor torque to prevent snagging. For delicate shading, dropping voltage and adjusting hand speed still gives predictable dot spacing and gradient control. The unit's wireless life is session-friendly, with runtime designed to handle typical day blocks before a recharge. Overall, it is a dependable daily driver for artists building a wireless setup without jumping to flagship pricing. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 3. Mast Flip 3 Wireless Kit. If you want maximum flexibility in one box, the Mast Flip 3 Wireless Kit packs 7 adjustable stroke lengths and dual replaceable batteries, making it a modular setup that adapts to your style and session demands. The cordless motor runs quietly and stays cool during extended work, which improves client comfort and reduces fatigue on long shading passes. The 7-step stroke adjustment from 2.4 to 4.2 mm lets you set soft, responsive hit profiles for light black and gray or snap to longer stroke for fast line drive and solid color packing. This level of mechanical tuning means you can switch techniques without swapping machines, a huge time saver when moving from outline to fill. Power management is a highlight. Two 1,800 mAh batteries allow continuous operation with quick swaps, and precise 0.1 V adjustments give you fine control across needle groupings. The kit often includes pro-grade cartridges and an RCA adapter, which means you can run it wired in a pinch. An automatic timer helps track session length, and the interface is simple enough to adjust on the body without breaking flow. For artists upgrading from a corded rotary or a basic pen, the Flip 3's gentle learning curve plus the significant stroke versatility makes it a strong, future-proof choice. On skin, the Flip 3 drives liners cleanly at moderate voltage and resists bogging when you lean into larger mags. The shorter stroke settings open up buttery soft shading with less trauma, while mid-range strokes provide a balanced hit for color realism. The compact pen profile maintains control for tight details and small scripts, and the quiet motor helps clients relax, which improves cooperation during precision work. If your workflow benefits from switching stroke styles quickly to match technique, the Flip 3 stands out as a flexible, efficient platform. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 2. Blackbudda Wireless Tattoo Kit. The Blackbudda Wireless Tattoo Kit is a starter-friendly path into wireless tattooing that still brings enough performance for real progression. It focuses on simplicity, power, and a complete setup. The built-in cordless motor pushes around 10 V at 9,000 revolutions per minute, offering strong drive for clean lines and steady color packing at common working voltages. The direct drive system gives a consistent hit across cartridges, which beginner and intermediate artists will appreciate when dialing in technique. Compatibility with standard cartridge needles keeps your consumable choices open and studio-ready. The aluminum alloy frame keeps weight manageable while maintaining durability through drops and frequent cleaning. As a complete kit, this option helps you practice immediately. The package typically includes cartridges, cups, and essentials so you can set up, test on fake skin, and establish controlled routines without hunting for extra parts. The pen form is easy to control for straight lines and small lettering. Maintenance is straightforward with detachable parts that clean and reassemble quickly. It is the kind of kit that lets you learn fundamentals without being held back by weak torque or inconsistent output. As skills develop, you can upgrade cartridges and inks while keeping the same pen as a reliable daily tool. Where this kit excels is accessibility. Beginners need predictable response and repeatable results, and Blackbudda's steady power delivery reduces variables while you develop hand speed, depth control, and stretch technique. For shading, dropping voltage gives you softer hits without losing needle movement consistency, which helps transitions look smoother even at lower experience levels. For color work, the motor keeps saturation moving forward rather than chewing up the skin. If you are building your first wireless setup and want a kit that feels serious rather than toy-like, this offers a solid balance of capability, simplicity, and value. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 1. WormholePro Aquila Wireless. The WormholePro multifunction wireless pen earns the top spot because it merges 7-position stroke adjustment with intuitive on-body controls for voltage, hertz, and needle per second modes. This combination gives you precise control over hit character and frequency, which directly affects trauma, saturation, and texture in healed results. The stroke range from 2.4 to 4.2 mm makes it a true one-pen solution for fine line, black and gray, dot work, and solid color packing. The cordless motor is tuned for smooth power delivery at lower voltages, which helps with delicate shading and stippling, while still delivering firm line drive when you extend the stroke and increase frequency. Battery performance is practical for daily sessions. The 1,800 mAh capacity typically yields 5 to 6 hours of work, and a 2-hour USB-C charge brings it back quickly between appointments. The grip rotates to set needle hang, and the body separates for cleaning, which keeps hygiene easy to manage. The control logic is friendly. A mode button cycles display behaviors, and you can adjust by volts, hertz, or needle per second to match how you think about your technique. For dot work and whip shading, the NPS mode is a smart addition that helps you create consistent spacing and rhythm without overthinking conversions between volts and speed. In use, the pen tracks true on curves and maintains low vibration, which reduces hand fatigue and improves microcontrol in small details. Shorter strokes deliver soft, forgiving hits for translucent gradients. Mid-strokes give a balanced feel for realism and color layering. Longer strokes snap lines in confidently and fill quickly with less passes, which reduces skin trauma and session length. The combination of feature depth and real skin performance makes this a standout for artists who want fine control without paying flagship brand premiums. If you want one machine that can do nearly everything well and grow with your skill, this is the most complete package on this list. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance.